Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite Asian recipes. It's called Triple Delight. It's a steak, shrimp, and chicken stir fry. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's start by tenderizing our meat. This method is called velveting the meat. We will add some baking soda and some water here. Allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. Then we will rinse the meat thoroughly. Rinsing the meat thoroughly will help get rid of the metallic taste in the baking soda. So once we're done, we'll proceed to, seasoning our meat as usual. So here I have some chicken, shrimp, and that meat that we went ahead and washed. I will add some blended garlic, ginger, and onion. I just blend some garlic, ginger, and onion with oil, and we will add a tablespoon to each of these. Next, we will add some shrimp bouillon, black pepper, and some soy sauce to the shrimp. We will mix that well to combine and set aside. Next, we will add some chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some soy sauce to the chicken. Mix that well and set aside. And lastly, we will add some beef bouillon, black pepper, and some soy sauce to the beef. Mix that well and set aside. Here I will combine some water, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, some brown sugar, and some cornstarch. This will be used as our sauce for the dish. Here I have some water boiling. I will add a little salt and we'll add some vegetables. This method is called blanching. We will allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. This helps the vegetables to remain crunchy and it keeps the vibrant, bright colors. After 3 minutes, you will drain this, run some cool water over, and now let's prepare the dish. So here to a preheated wok, I will add my chicken first. We will cook this thoroughly, then remove and set aside. Next up, we will add our steak into the wok, cook this thoroughly, and set it aside. Lastly, we will add our shrimp into the same wok, cook it thoroughly for about 2 minutes. You don't want to overcook the shrimp. And we will set it aside. Into the same wok, I will add some aromatics, onions, bell peppers, and garlic. We will give it a good mix, allow it to go for about 2 minutes or so before proceeding to the next step. So at this point, I forgot to hit record, so you guys didn't see when I added that sauce that we mixed up earlier. I added the sauce in, allow it to thicken up, and this is how it looks. Next, we will add our meats and vegetables into the sauce, give it a good toss, and that's basically it. The dish is all done. Quick, easy, and simple, but absolutely delicious. Trust me, when you guys try this, you're never going back to that Chinese takeout place ever again. This is absolutely divine and I can't wait for y'all to give it a try. So let me play this up and show you all the finished product. So here I put aside my husband's lunch for work, and we served it up with some plain steamed white rice and chef's kiss. He truly enjoyed this. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. Like I said, if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.